So I broke my wife's sewing machine, but now I gotta fix it. Now, I know what you're thinking. The whole sewing machine? How can you fix that? Well, it actually wasn't the whole sewing machine. It was just this knob part right here. This knob right there. Broke apart, fell apart, million pieces. We had to throw it away. So I figured that I could design a new one. So the old knob was cylinder, and it just cracked in a million pieces. Not good. Some more reasons why it wasn't good is because of the cylinder shape. It was super hard to grab, really slippery, and just didn't really feel good in the hand, as well as just being really thin and plasticky. Hopefully we can remedy that. So there are a couple different things that we're designing for this knob. We need to make sure that the knob is able to go around this outer part, as well as have 6 different inserts all the way around that fit in there. And it needs to be able to fit around this center core and have 2 little slits that are able to fit over these metal pieces. So here's what I ended up designing. It has the ability to go all the way around. It has 6 inserts and also 2 slots, as well as this center that can go around this center axle. And it fits on pretty well. It also has a great grip on this outer part that I added, and that allows for some really good grip movement when you're working on this machine.